for Thursday, January 24th, watch list. What a day we had today. If you know, you've been in the market, I don't even have to recap it. 600 plus intraday swing, down 300, up 300. I mean, crazy market. You're living in in special day trading times right now. It's like I keep on preaching, keep your powder dry, because each day is a different day in this market. Today, finally, I have some good picks for you. Some things that are starting to shape up. You had to actually let the last week play itself out, because it was going to be a lot of volatility. Not to say the volatility's ended. We're going to have a lot of volatility going on from here until things get back to normal. But we are seeing some good, some hope out there. There's definitely some hope out there, especially today's rebound. Even though a lot of people are classifying this as a bear market rally. A bear market rally, sharp, strong bear market rally. That's what you're going to watch for. You got to remember, we're traders. We're going to take our profits. We're going to move on. We're going to let things consolidate. We're going to strike wherever we can. All right. So let's move on right away. Martha Stewart, again, I've been preaching this one for the last 2 or 3 days. Martha Stewart, really a cheap stock down here at the $5 area. Rocketed up today. Nice move today in Martha Stewart. Looking for this one to move up to about $7, probably even higher. This one could definitely probably even get up to about $8. Look for a continuation tomorrow. Everything's telling you this one's going to be going up. Stochastics turning up, volume turning up also. Again, I have to make this fast. It only give me 10 minutes. Foster Wheeler post split today. Was the first day of the post split price. We held the 200-day moving average. Great stock, actually, great company. So, you're talking about a company that's cut in half here. We're right on the moving average. We're showing good relative strength compared to the rest of the market. A lot of the markets, you'll see that things are broken down under the 200-day moving average. So this is one to watch for some strength. I'm not saying it's a perfect buy here, but I want you to keep that up. Start keeping that one on your list. Google, nice move today. I do expect Google to make a run to $600 before earnings. Earnings coming out on January 31st, I believe. So whenever January 31st is, that's going to be next Thursday. So a week from tomorrow, we have Google earnings, and I'm expecting that to get talked up into that. So looking for a move back above the 200-day moving average as we approach the earnings. Google, massive stock. There's going to be a lot of volatility in this one also. I took home some shares. I like the bounce here. I got some real cheap shares today. And I would, definitely when you see a rally in Google, that means money's going in it, and that money will go in all day long and for a couple of days. So definitely keep it tuned to DayTradingRadio.com, because when I am going to be calling Google and Google is rallying, you want to be in it for the ride. All right, so Google is definitely one that you want to watch. Again, my call is I think we're going to move up towards the $600 mark before the earnings. So we're going to watch that one. Wynn had a nice move today. WYNN, nice spike up. Looking for continuation tomorrow. Again, that one had a great move today, so I want to watch that one also. All right, here's one now we'll start looking at some technical stocks, some technical ones. Baidu, again, even though I do think this one's one of the more overvalued stocks, we held the 200-day moving average. We're going to, I believe this one is going to go with Google. Google, I think, is oversold here. So I think, Baidu is going to react with Google. We're held on to the 200-day moving average, whereas in Google, we lost the 200-day moving average. So big difference there. And now, if you look on the 15-minute chart, we got ourselves a buy target here. We actually see a V bottom today, which would have been nice, and we're starting to see, some resistance right at this level here. All right, so we're going to look for a break of this high, and we're going to see if we get a move into that. When Baidu also runs, we definitely get a nice move in it. So the high on this is about 276.85. So look for 270, about 277 for this thing to get going. 277 around then, and if we get above that 277, look for a nice move in Baidu. Again, we got a three-day kind of consolidation here, at least at the highs. It does look interesting here. Again, we want to stick to the stocks that are going to really move in. That way we could just profit fast off of them. Here's a couple oversold stocks, especially in the chip sector. Broadcom, Nice spinning top doji here. Again, didn't really rebound with the market today. The only reason I'm bringing to this one is just because I think it's very oversold here. We're down below 2,000. Let's take a look at the monthly chart here and see the last time up. Well, back in 2004, we were back down at this level, and doesn't really give us a good look at that. But I just feel that Broadcom is expecting a bounce in Broadcom. I haven't heard much from it. Another one that's oversold, I'm going to be starting to put on my watch list, is Surf Technologies. This is the one that deals with GPS software, and and has a lot to do with this. So just looking at this oversold condition, actually selling down below August lows, and right around $15 looks good. We're starting to pound out some kind of bottom here. Look at the 15-minute chart. Not really much happening on the 15-minute chart yet, except we do have a kind of a trend line, but just another one that has a potential to run. Nothing really happening there on the 15-minute chart. It's more of the daily chart, and just seeing an oversold area here, really drastically oversold statistics, and pull back right off the 25.50 area. So we're down about $10 off of this one. So at least looking for a move back up to around $18, $19 on Surf. Again, one to keep on your watch list. Another one, these are new stocks. I just want to bring them to your attention here. Again, a lot of the stocks are going to be intraday relative strength moves that we're going to be trading during the day. And but a lot of these other stocks you should start adding to your watch list, because these are good quality stocks that should rebound nicely. And you should always keep your eyes open for new plays out there. NLC, Nalco Holding Company, one that I never really traded this one. But I've always wanted to get in on it. It's a water company, and water is going to be the next big commodity. So this one's trading down at $18. Doesn't have a long history. 2004. Let's take a look at the weekly chart here. Again, all these stocks have just been taken out back and slaughtered, and just going to be watching this one, because I do eventually want to start picking up some water stocks out there. NYMEX. Like the bottom, I called that one a couple days ago also. Like this one a lot. Looking for a continuation up here. Look at this nice little, on today's chart we had a nice inverted head and shoulders and a breakout of that, and we just rocketed it up along with the market. Broke through this level of resistance here and then continued up. So let's zoom out there, and you can definitely see how this thing just broke out of this resistance right here. And we have a good chance to get up to about 103, 104 area on the 30-minute chart. Again, looking very bullish, breaking out of this consolidation. Looking for a continuation move here. We have a lot of room to run on this one. So actually, I can see an old thing. Oversold chart that looks great here. I wonder when I put that up there. Anyway. And one more for today, ISRG. I'm actually going to do another video later tonight, I believe, because I just want to be rushing into all these. Again, a limited time frame on these videos. I want to start actually taking an email list so I can give a more detailed version of a watch list and just send it out to people. That way I don't have to worry about trying to do a 10-minute video. So look for a sign up on the website for an email list for the videos, for more in-depth videos that I could just send it out instead of having to deal with a 10-minute that I'm wasting all my time in. ISRG, Intuitive Surgical, beautiful bounce off the 200-day moving average. And look at this right now. I mean, this is a beautiful consolidation here. Look at that. Nice inverted head and shoulders. We're starting to get a nice move. I think we got a nice rally we're right at resistance right now. So hopefully we get a pullback tomorrow, and then we break through resistance and we're on our way. Honestly, I think tomorrow we're going to have an interesting day. I do think this market is pounding out a bottom. You're going to hear people saying everything from beginning of a bear market to recession to a bottom. So my call is I think we're bottoming out here. There's a lot of good plays out there, and you got to just trade the market what it gives you. look for another video following this one up. I want to send this on its way. I hope everyone had a great day today. Again, probably my best bet tomorrow is a continuation of Martha Stewart. I also like JetBlue. I didn't mention that, and Sirius Satellite Radio. All right, that's it for tonight. I will talk to you in a little bit. Bye.